Woke up every day saying life is a bitch. You either die broke or get busy getting rich. Niggas did me dirty, left me dead in the ditch. Learned to forget, but I never did forget. Loyal to the team, I ain't never gonna switch. You was at the party getting drunk, getting lit. In the back of my head, I'm like, fuck that shit. I was busy in the lab making songs, making hits. Trying to get money till I cash out. Like you break your arm if you're looking for a handout. I've been on the move for a long time. Fighting with the man on my shoulder, I was dealing with self-doubt. All my life I've been the fucking underdog. Used to wonder how these niggas got it all.
Day 3 on the C63 wide body wagon. Mate, this is a really big job. Full paint correction, 3-stage for the most part. Complete ceramic coating, getting it ready for hot import nights this weekend. This car was previously coated but had water spotting, really bad water spotting from sweating cement, and it just etched the paint. We've removed all that, we've corrected it all, got rid of all the swirls, and now we are ceramic coating it all. So it's gone up really good, but yeah, a lot of work involved. It'll pay off though.
Started from the bottom, bitch, I'm still here. Gunning for the top, will I make it there? Rapping with the legends in the top 10. I've been on the edge, I got no fear. Please don't you do me no favors, no trust for these niggas that put it together. They planning to take it apart. Not enough fingers on both of my hands to count all the backstabbers that came from my heart. Stuck to my guns and I got them reloaded. Proceeding with caution, I'm playing it smart. Won't be forgotten, I swear that I'm leaving my mark. My patience, I waited my turn. Can't collect everything that I earned. Built a few bridges, but some gotta burn. They keep talking down like, but when you gon' learn? Been on the come up with some time now. People like to trust, it's hard to find now. Swear to God, there's so much on my mind now. Coming for the word, I bitch is mine now. This shit is automatic, and I come up with the static. I ain't never been to college, but they gotta give me credit. And I'm doing double damage, you don't need prayer.
Mate, why do we have so much water stains? Gotta say, mate, concrete and paint don't mix. Real good things. And it's supposedly coated, but I think a bit of neglect and a bit of failure of the coating hasn't helped with this situation. So what do we want to do? Remove it all. Remove it all with water spot remover, and then we're going to do a 3-stage correction. And then coat it. So this is just a few minutes of work, and we removed all of the water spotting. But in this case, I don't think this is a glass coating, so it's removed the actual coating as well. But it does have swirls, so regardless, we'd have to remove it. So you can see like before, after. Done a pretty intense cut on this, and it still hasn't removed the scratches from getting in and out of the vehicle. So we're going to hit it with a 3000 grit, try to bring it back down nice and level, and then work back over it. I could go 1500, but I feel like the paint's a little bit thin on these side skirts, and we don't want to push it. ones still remain a little bit, but we're not going to risk going further and go through the paint, because then that will not be good. We've agreed to leave it as is. We'll now cut this back, see how it looks. The first coarse cut, remove all the sandbar. Now we'll go hit it one more time to refine it, remove any swirls and holograms. But yeah, as you can see, it's better. If you look, close enough, I can't really get it focused, but there you go. There's like 2 or 3 there that's still left over, maybe another one over there. For the most part, you won't even notice it. We can't really stare at it all day. But it's either that or go through the paint and then have to repaint it. So, gotta be happy with that. Final touches on the wide body wagon, done by Concept Garage, and it just looks almost factory, like it's just flawless. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but I believe it's almost backed it. I believe it's an imitation of the Black Edition C63. So they came out from factory wide body, but in the sedan or coupe version. So this is a mock-up in a wagon. Again, correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's the whole concept behind this. Sick car. So keep an eye out for it at Hot Import Nights. Let us know your thoughts when you see it. A few more hours on this bad boy and it's done. Cheers.